How to add debit card on Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add debit card on Doordash. For this, launch open the Doordash app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. You're going to find different options here such as manage account, payment methods, business profile, addresses, my rewards, and much more. Go ahead and tap on the option of payment methods. Now all of your saved payment methods will appear over here. You can easily manage your payment methods from this page by adding or removing your payment methods. If you want to add a debit card, all you want to do is find the add payment method section, then tap on credit/debit card. Now you will have to enter your card details over here. Start by entering your debit card number on the first box. After you've entered that, next step is to enter the expiry date. Go ahead and enter the year and month. Now enter the CVV number. After that, enter the postcode. You will find all of these details in your debit card itself. So make sure that you enter all of these details correctly. Now tap on the add card option. Now you will have to complete some verification process, and once that is completed, your debit card will be successfully added to your Doordash account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.